Yeah, here we have a Jet 8-inch by 13-inch horizontal bandsaw. It's a 115 volt model, 1.5 horsepower, 4-speed belt drive. And we have it powered up so you can watch it run. And the e-stop here is not operational. However, the coolant pump works and the saw itself works very nicely. You turn the machine on. It has a hydraulic down feed. And also, one of the blade guards has broken off. That goes right here on the blade. The unit still operates very nicely. It has an automatic shut off when the head comes down, and we'll turn that power feed, down feed on. As the head comes down, there's a switch back there. It hits that stud right there, shuts the machine off. Now the blade is hitting a little bit on the table here because of the blade guard is not installed. Okay, we only attempted to do this twice. We won't do it anymore. But you're going to have to replace that part in order to straighten the blade back out. That piece is broken. The roller bearing assembly is okay on it, as well as there's a coolant tube that plugs into that tube right there. So that part's good, it's just the bracket's broken. As we mentioned earlier, there's the e-stop right there. So that popped off. And it includes the material stop. One of the little holders, screw holders for the material stop is missing. You got your 4 mounting bolts they go on the floor and they go in all 4 holes here. There's a small dent right here, nothing major. A couple little paint scuffs, paint scratches, strictly cosmetic. Other than that, the machine is in really fine condition. Everything works on it. We checked all the electrical and hydraulic and mechanical functions. As we stated earlier, we checked the coolant pump. That does operate. And we thank you for looking at our product.